Google, Meta, or the TikTok ads, which is the best ad platform for your business. So every major paid advertisement platform today has integrated the AI or automation into a system. This helps your campaign get real-time creative optimization with the platform's AI, pushing your ads to the right customers with smart bidding. But with so many options available, choosing a platform to invest your hard-earned money is not easy. So let's be honest, most brands waste money on meta ads when they actually need search. So in this video, I am listing the best ad platforms across 4 different categories that will help businesses like yours win. We have categorized them by their abilities to help you find your customers. So grab your notepads. My name is Amy, and this is where you should publish your next advertisement for maximum benefits. First up, we have the undisputed champion and the king of intent. When a customer knows what they want, they head to search, and with billions of searches across Google search, YouTube, Maps, and the display networks of over 2 million websites, its reach is truly unparalleled. Well, if you think that's all, with Google's AI Performance Max campaigns and now Power real-time auction optimization, making them the best fit for businesses seeking broad reach and flexible targeting. But remember, Google only works for businesses where high intent already exists. It won't help you create demand. So in other words, it is an amazing platform capturing ready buyers, but it is useless if nobody is searching for your solution. So now stay a little longer, because we will tell you which platform are best for creating your demand out of the thin air. But for now, let's look at the second platform to capture demand, Google's biggest rival, that is the Microsoft. We know that all Google is far at the top. Bing is the second largest search engine and handles over 23 billion monthly PC searches. Why you must celebrate this? Because it provides a unique access to the audience who are either working professionals or the household decision makers who have higher disposable income. Moreover, it is also offers a secret weapon of the LinkedIn profile targeting, which allows you to reach people filtered by the job function and the industry types. But Bing also has a downside. Sure, it can help provide cheaper cost per clicks and older, wealthier audience. However, you will hit a ceiling fast because Bing does not scale like Google. So now there go the big bulls of the advertising market, which are the best when your audience knows what they need. However, sometimes we need a platform that excels at the discovery for brands that want to create the demand with the paid advertising. We have 3 different platforms. First up, there is the Meta ads with over 3 billion monthly active users across Facebook and the Instagram, leads the way for the social media commerce. So unlike Google or the Microsoft ads, Meta has these engagement signals that can predict whether your customers want before they even search for it. Through the Advantage Plus or automation, Meta handles the heavy lifting of the audience expansion and the creative delivery, making it a goldmine for the e-commerce and direct-to-customer brands. Well, it's a strong when you have strong creatives and a clear offer, but it breaks when you rely on targeting instead of messaging. So if you don't solve creative fatigue, Meta will burn your budget faster than anything else, because Meta does not reward logic, it rewards attention. So then there is the TikTok ads, which is the best way to reach out to the Gen Z and Millennials. With over 1.6 billion users, TikTok is not about intent, it's about immersion and the entertainment signals to predict what your customers want. It's for businesses that understand content and celebrate creativity. Trends can use the TikTok's algorithm driven discovery to turn a short-term video into a viral sales machine. So now the algorithm can explode overnight, but on the TikTok, most brands look like ads and do not get instantly ignored. It required constant creative churn, and that's honestly very exhausting. For those in lifestyle, fashion, or the home decor, Pinterest ads is your visual sanctuary. Pinterest is unique because its users arrive with planning intent. They are often looking for the inspiration to buy. With an audience that is 70% female and a growing Gen Z segment, Pinterest allows you to surface your product exactly when a user is deciding what their future home or the wardrobe should look like. So now some businesses need precision over volume. So now let's look at the networks that cater your communities that value trust and the authority. So now the LinkedIn ads is the ultimate B2B powerhouse. It connects you to over 1.5 billion professionals, including 98% of the Fortune 500 CEOs. This is where you go to reach a verified audience with twice the buying power of the average web user. For the lead generation and the account-based marketing, LinkedIn's ability to target by job title and seniority is unmatched. But be cautious if you are coming here to chase volume. The average cost of CPCs here makes the finance team nervous, and they need a strong back-end funnel to justify the costs. The other great platform for this category is the Reddit ads. So now Reddit is home to over 100,000 niche communities. Instead of passive scrolling, users here are engaged in authentic, deep dive conversations. If your business thrives on the social proof or serves a specific niche from tech enthusiasts to hobbyists, Reddit's community-based targeting allows you to join the conversation where it's already happening. But this is a platform if you respect the community, but a no-go if it starts sounding like a brand. And the users are skeptical over here, and the ads are ignored or called out publicly. Finally, we have the platform that celebrate conversions, which is the point of purchase. The Amazon advertising is one of such retail giant, reaching consumers exactly where they are ready to buy. With access to a massive e-commerce transaction data, the Amazon's AI matches your products to high intent shoppers actively researching their next purchase. But Amazon ads have an extremely competitive market, and success here is often tied to reviews, pricing, and the listing quality. Another platform that you can focus on for conversions is the Google Ads, which we have covered earlier. So now for the mobile first world, the Apple search ads is essential. With 800 million weekly App Store visitors, this network places your app directly in front of the users the moment they search for a solution. It's a brand-safe environment that captures high mobile engagement and high-quality installs. But its downside is that it's very expensive in the competition niches, and the retention is very weak. So lastly, we cannot forget about the X ads, formerly the Twitter. So now the X is the place for the real-time cultural moments for brands promoting the news or timely product launches. The X's conversion-driven engagement ensures you are a part of global dialogue as it happens. So now this is great for the live events, launches, and the trends, but it's weak for the conversions because ultimately X is a conversation engine, not a conversion machine. So now whether you are looking for the massive reach of Google, the professional precision of LinkedIn, or the creative spark of TikTok, choose the right platform for your business. That is the key to reaching out the right audience and your business goals simultaneously. We know for sure that the ongoing optimization and embracing the AI automation will be what drives your success for the long term. So which platform actually brings you customers at a cost your business can survive? So you can let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PPC strategies.